If you're running a business, what's a business may be the tool you need. In this video, I'll walk you through all the key features of what's a business and how they can help you grow a brand, manage customers, and increase sales. So let's dive in. What is WhatsApp Business? WhatsApp Business is a free app designed for small businesses to connect with customers efficiently. It works just like regular WhatsApp, but includes business-specific features to improve communication and customer service. Let's start with our business profile. Your business profile lets you add important details like business name, description, location, working hours, email and website links.
Let me go to profile. When I tap on profile, this is how I set my profile to be. I applied the logo right there, and I also did the cover photo right there. You can place anything that you want. I can boost. We have looked at ads. I can boost the entire business. I can share. This is the name of my business. Then the category, it's just right there. Then the address is just there. Then these are the links, the websites and emails. Then the products. The products are the ones of the catalog. These are the catalog. Those are the products. And now this is my Facebook and the about, where you can add a phone number. So this is the about, or if I want to change the business number, I'll just do that. You may wonder, can we edit these? Let me tap. You see, I can just edit and change if I want.
This helps customers to know who exactly they're dealing with. Heading over to quick replies. Save time by setting up quick replies for frequently asked questions. Instead of typing the same response over and over again, just type in a shortcut.
When I tap quick reply, these are all the quick replies. Let me give an example. If I want to create a new quick reply, I'll just tap right there. I cannot go beyond 50 quick replies. So let's use the ones that are already available. For instance, this one is a Samsung A05. If I select the particular phone, for instance, the shortcut, I will do the // and now I type in Samsung A05. I place here the reply message to be Samsung A05 64GB at 480. So when I want to know the price of the Samsung A05, I'll just do the / and know the price. For instance, let me give another example. I created also this quick reply where it's a Samsung S21. So the S21, if I type it in, it's gonna bring the S21 Ultra 256GB at 1.55. Let's go back to our chart. And now let me select. Let me just do the /. I'm gonna type Samsung S21. When I tap Samsung S21, it's going to bring the other message that are saved in the quick replies.
Heading over to the automated messages. In this section, you can set the welcome message, the away message, and also the instant replies.
So let's head over to the away message. So this message will appear when I'm away. So I can schedule it. For instance, I can maybe custom schedule or what time can it be appearing, when is the end time, but let me leave it at already send. So here after that, I just tap save. So let's head over to the greeting message. Greeting message appears if it's the first time the customers to message me. So this is my message. So here is where I can select who are the kinds of people that need to receive this message. So if I want to change that, I can select either everyone or everyone except, or send only to I specify contact just like that.
Before heading further into this video, let me take an opportunity to talk about online security. In a world where cyber threats and data tracking are everywhere, using a VPN is one of the best ways to protect your privacy. That's why I'm recommending NordVPN. With NordVPN, you can get fast and secure browsing access to content from anywhere in the world, and protection against hackers and prying eyes, whether you're streaming, working, or just browsing. NordVPN keeps your data safe with top-notch encryption. And the best part is, you can get a discount by using my affiliate link in the description. Plus, NordVPN offers a 30-day money guarantee, so there is no risk in trying it out. Check out the link below and start browsing securely today. Heading over to the labels for chats. Easily organized chats with labels. Let's check it out.
So under the labels, we'll tap labels, and yeah, I can add a label. For instance, I have the pending responses. All these are customers. Then I have dealers. Those ones that I deal with in business. Then we can add any, for instance, boat. So I'll just save, and it's right here. I can add contacts. If I want to add the contacts, I'll have to go to any contact. Then I select, then I label. I can label it as boat. Then I save. The label will appear. Then there is also this kind of labeling. You can label from right there, or long press and label.
Heading over to the product catalog. Showcase your products and services using the built-in catalog. Customers can now browse and check prices and even place orders directly from WhatsApp.
Under the catalog feature, let's go to the catalog, and now we select the two options here. There is add new collection and add new item. So let's first start with the new collection, and under the new collection, shall name it as a Samsung. Okay, it's done. So we go to next. If at all my business is about phones, I'll select all the Samsung phones into that collection. These are part of my catalog. You need to have a catalog so that you create a collection. So after selecting the Samsung phones, you press done. So after selecting the Samsung phones, you will hit done, and yeah, the collection will be set. The second option is add new item. Just tap right there, and here we can select photos or videos. In my case, I'm gonna select the phones. We have the iPhone 11, and I hit next. Now here I'll name it iPhone 11. So the description, what storage does it have? 128 GB. This is an example. You can be having another kind of business. So if I want, I can add more fields, the link, the item code, then after save. After saving it, WhatsApp will review my catalog to see if it doesn't violate its terms, so that it can be visible to the customers. So here are the phones that we sell right here. This is the catalog. Let me give an example. If I want to share, for instance, this Redmi phone, I'll just click share. I can either share as a link via business, or I can share to my status, or I can just copy the link and I paste it wherever I want to paste it. When the customer clicks, we'll be able to view this phone. You can share with some other apps. Add to status, it will just pop up to the status. Let me discard. Another option is you head over to the chat. Let me go to this chat. Let me click this icon, and now I'll be able to access the catalog right now. When I tap catalog, it's gonna bring the phone. So I'll select the Redmi that we're sharing. Then I'll just send. The customer will be able to view this. Let me send the phone. I'm I'm sending, so it's already here.
Heading over to the Business API. For medium and large businesses, WhatsApp offers an API with advanced features like chatbot integration, bulk messaging, and customer service automation. Heading over to WhatsApp Payments. Accept payments directly into WhatsApp. Customers can pay for products or services without leaving the app, making transactions smoother. Heading over to Broadcast Lists and Groups. Send messages to multiple customers by using the broadcast list feature, perfect for promotions and announcements. You can also create groups for customer engagement. Heading over to the click to chat links, generate a unique WhatsApp link to allow customers to chat with you instantly, perfect for websites, social media, and ads. Heading over to the analytics and insights, track how your messages perform with simple analytics showing message sent, delivered, and read. This helps you improve on your engagement strategy. WhatsApp Business is an essential tool for business owners who want better customer engagement, automated responses, and an easy way to showcase products.
Let me tap on the advert right now. So under the advertise, I can advertise in different ways using any catalog item that I want, or I'll have to share just my business or my status. So these are other options. Catalog, you can share up to 10 images, then upload photos and videos, or take a photo or video. What we're gonna do, let me tap on this option of the ad. This is what I want to advertise. So what I can do, I can preview. Alright, this is the preview on Instagram and Facebook. So what we're gonna do is we're going to set an ad. Let's go back. Okay, next. So here you can customize where your ad can be visible. Where do you want your ad to be visible? Is it regional or it's local? Or you can add other ways. Then let's hit next. So what's the budget? Is it $1 a day, or you want to use $1,000 a day? Then the duration. Do you want it a day? $1 one day? You want it in 60 days. Then when you hit next, so the total budget will be $70. And we'll tap create ad. Then we'll select the payment methods, and yeah, this is where we can add our Facebook and Instagram. I already linked it with my Facebook. I can also link it with the Instagram. I just hit continue and I link it.
Are you using WhatsApp Business? Let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.